Innovation is happening all around us, no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies that are changing the way we live our lives. First up, we start in Switzerland for a device that's part wheelchair, part robot. Crowbot is being tested out by researchers who have adapted a standing wheelchair with various sensors. These include cameras on the front and a LiDAR system with lasers on the front and rear to give the robot a 360-degree view of its surroundings. These sensors are then combined with people detection and tracking algorithms, enabling the robot to identify the best path to take in just a few milliseconds. The hope is to help the disabled get around in crowded areas with greater ease. Next, we move on to Seoul for a new way to get fit. Imagine it's possible to cycle through Paris one moment, Tuscany the next. No, I'm not talking about teleporting. LG have unveiled their Virtual Ride, an innovative take on at-home exercise equipment. An exercise bike is combined with three 55-inch curved OLED screens, just enough to make you feel truly immersed in your on-screen surroundings. Now all you need is the wind on your face. Lastly, we land in Spain for an underwater experience. Who hasn't dreamed of exploring the bottom of the ocean? Even if you're no Jacques Cousteau, there are plenty of companies whose livelihoods are dependent on the sea. That's where Nido Robotics comes in to create bespoke underwater robots. Using a system of ports, different tools can be added to these box-like robots, including grippers and cutters, cameras, and advanced navigation technologies. These deep-sea explorers can sink as far as 300 meters, helping companies reduce their underwater maintenance costs, which can be dangerous for humans, allowing them to be safer in the depths of the oceans. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.